We'll talk about how can you block a number on your Truecaller app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on block. You just click here on block. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to phone number, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So then here you add your country here, then here number and name. Here if you want to block for business or person, and you click here on block. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.